Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be filming a quick get ready with me, okay? We are going to be using the new Dior Backstage foundation, and if you would like to see how to achieve this look, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting off fresh faced. Okay, I already put on my moisturizer. I use the Farmacy Honey Drop. It's a lightweight moisturizer. It's been great for the summertime. And then I mixed it in with a little bit of the good old Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is the shade Moonstone. Okay, so now that we got the base done, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the foundation. So I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage foundation. Okay, just shake it up there. And I'm just going to be applying it with my beauty blender. And after my foundation, I like to just go straight in with bronzer for contouring. So I'm going to be using the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. Okay, it's a cream bronzer. I love the shade. They only have one shade. It's kind of like a universal shade. I'm just going to be carving out the cheeks with that. And this brush I got just recently for renewing my rouge status at Sephora. It's the Pro Mini 55.5 and I really like it for my cream bronzer. Just get down the neck a little there. There we go. Excellent. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to conceal my eyes. For concealer, I'm just using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in shade Light to Vanilla. Just going to take my beauty blender. Perfect. And then once we're done with eye concealer, I usually just go in and I kind of spot conceal. For spot concealing, I am using the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is in shade Vanilla as well. I usually use a lighter concealer to cover up any spots. I just find it cancels out the redness a little bit better when I go a lighter shade. I'm just using my finger for that. All right. So next, before brows, I am going to go ahead and I'm actually just going to set my face. For setting my face, I'm going to be using it's the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, it comes in a container like this. I'm just going to be putting it on with a fluffy brush. Excellent. Okay, so now that we're done with that, oh man, I forgot to put on my highlighter. For my highlighter, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. Okay, it is a cream concealer, cream highlighter. And this is the most amazing formula. It's not the greatest packaging, okay? As you can see, it's kind of got a weird squeezy tube and you got to squeeze it up here. And it always gets highlight down on the side of the product and you just kind of squeeze it up. get some of the product out. And I usually just stamp it like so. This product is so good. It still goes over powder beautifully. Alright, so for eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Diorshow Brow Styler. This is in the shade Blonde. So, alright, so now that eyebrows are done, we're going to go ahead and get started with the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Iconic palette. Okay, we are going to be using the Glambition. Okay, so it's a little dirty, but that's what it looks like there. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with... So I'm just going to be using the first shade here, kind of as a base. So I'm going to be putting it all over my lid. I'm going to start off with my transition shade. It's just the second shade in here. And just kind of going just above the crease there. Okay, and then once that is laid down, I'm going to go ahead, take a little bit of a fluffier brush. And I'm just going to be going into this middle shade here, okay? That shade is just going to be kind of focused on the outer edges, just to kind of darken it up a little bit. These eyeshadows are so buttery and creamy. They work so well. Good. So once that's done, I'm just going to go back into that second shade that we used, the transition shade, and just kind of smooth everything out a little bit. Okay, so once we have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to use the darker brown shade here. I'm just gonna use it to kind of tight line a little bit. Alright, I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit with Beauty Blender. Perfect. Alright, so next what we're going to be doing is a little pop of shimmer just on the center of the lid here. And for that pop of shimmer, I'm just going in with the pink shimmer shade here. Nothing too crazy. Get a little bit in the inner eye. Perfect, and it makes for a nice, easy eye look here for every day. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of blush. So I'm gonna be using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Okay, this is in the shade Mood Exposure. So it looks like this. I got just a little kind of travel size. go ahead, curl the eyelashes. Okay, and then pop on a little mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lancôme Monsieur Big. Best mascara you will ever use, and I'll show you why. I never have to wear falsies with this stuff. Takes a couple times when you first get it, when the product's a little wet. Takes a few coats to kind of get that big, voluminous eye look, but once you've been using it for a while and it's almost kind of dried up that little bit, it just works so beautifully. Little lower lash. Alright, and there you have it. Okay, so very kind of easy, everyday eye look. And that highlight I just love. Okay, and to finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lipstick. So I heard Kathleen Light's raving about this, and it is the Dior, what is it called? Dior Addict Lacquer Stick. Okay, it's in the shade Rolling. And she said that she was able to go through an entire tube of this, and I kind of want to go through an entire tube as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. That is it. Okay, the final look. Thank you all for watching and sticking through this makeup tutorial with me. All right, we'll see you guys again soon.